The BAK Industries BAKFlip MX4 is a premium hard-folding tonneau cover made of aluminum and features a matte black finish which looks great, very sleek, and blends in very well with their OE trim, as you can see. Now, as far as the strength goes, again, this is made of aluminum, but also features a premium density foam core, so it can really withstand a lot of weight on top of the cover, up to 400 pounds evenly distributed along the length of the cover. Now, as far as security goes, you're going to notice there are no longer locks on top of the cover, but rather now we rely on the tailgate lock, the OE tailgate lock, to keep the security of the cover where it needs to be. As far as operation goes, all I do is open the tailgate as normal, and I can do that because of this premium seal technology. It's a brand new technology that they've added, so I can now close and open my tailgate without having to pop the cover up, which is a great additional feature. Now, once I do that and open the tailgate, I can pull the latch and use my cover like I want to. The cool thing about this cover is I can get 100% access to my bed, so I can use my truck like I wanted to, like a truck.